I wanted to share one of the ways that I've been using the Coaches Portal. And so recently I had two events that I was planning, two, you could call them workshops. And I wanted some new ideas, didn't have a friend to collaborate with, so I thought, well, let me see what the portal's gonna do here. So I was working with teens for one of them, and so I put in the context, I said what I was looking for in terms of the theme and the timing, and out came some amazing ideas. One was for a guided meditation, which I hadn't done for a long time. It was a great reminder, it was awesome. And then some prompts, some questions that were really cool. And so I did that with the teens. It went really, really well. They loved it. If teens love something, that's pretty, I'd say that's a win. And the other was for my women's group that I've been working with for over 7 years. And I was looking to shake things up, do something new. So I put in, again, the theme, the timing that I was looking for, and these really thought-provoking questions came, and we ended up having a really cool time together, and everyone left feeling just enlivened, and they learned more about each other and about themselves. So I would call that one a success as well. So the portal is really a great place to plan events and retreats, and see what you think, because I'm loving it.